Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. It is 9:05 Eastern, which is 7:05 Pacific time. It's 8:05 Central, or 9:05 Central, 7:05 Pacific. That's what I meant to say. Sorry about that. I slept in today. So today's my birthday. So I did not set my alarm. I figured I'll just get up and do whatever. So looks like I missed some action. I see a lot of purple. Looks like there's a downward movement still. The market's down a ton, as you can see. It's down into the 1470, something like that, 14,470. So yeah, it's been down pretty much since from the overnight hours yesterday and out today. So I'm running the AutorRipper Pro. I'm going to keep it down to more manageable. Even though it's the 300,000 evaluation, I'm keeping it pretty conservative still. I think I have 4 contracts queued up. Very manageable. So if something does happen, I can recover and be ready for the next day. So things are moving kind of slow right now. So there's no point in turning on my bot right now. I kind of want to see where it goes from here. So this video might be a little long this morning. I don't know. Things have certainly slowed down, as you can see. But while I wait to do my first trade this morning, I want to let you know that I'm working on setting up a new email account where you as my subscribers can send me questions, and then I can address them on a future video. So that way you can reach me, ask questions, then I'll answer them on video. You know, I don't do this full time. I have a job, I have a family, so I really can't answer everybody's questions or want to connect with everybody. I appreciate it, that you guys are reaching out. Means a lot to me. It really does. I just don't have the capacity right now to take on something like that. And but I think I've been using the software now for a while. I'm about to get my 5th funded 50,000 account. I think today's the last trading day for that, so I'll be done. So I've definitely learned a lot along the way, and I'm happy to share my knowledge from funded accounts, virtual private servers, getting your own LLC, using your bot, all those things. I'm happy to share that information. I do want to clarify, though, is that some people, and you have noticed that I don't have my comments turned on my videos, because people have accused me of that I'm paid by TrueTrade or that I work for them. I certainly don't work for them. I don't have anything against them. Obviously, I have bought 3 of their bots, so I believe in their product, but I don't work for them, and that's the truth. If you don't believe me, that's okay. I'm not trying to convince you. As you've seen in my videos, I don't have an affiliate link. I don't send you anywhere. I don't get paid if you go to TrueTrade and buy their software, or if you get a virtual private server. I don't get paid for that. Or if you decide to go through Apex Trader Funding, or if you go to some other funding company, you do what you want. It's cool. That has nothing to do with me. I'm just sharing my knowledge, and hopefully you can learn from that. So be on the lookout. I will be posting that email address. Send me your questions, and when you do, then I will do a shout out on my videos, post a question, and then answer it. And it's going to be no holds barred here. So it's going to be oh wait, we're in our first trade finally. We'll see where we go from here. Like I said, market's moving really slow, but I think we'll end up with a profitable trade here. See if we hit that runner. All right, cool. Okay, so we're making progress here. 385. Let's see where we go. See if we can get a little bit more out of it. Okay, we stopped out. It's moving slow, and that's just the way it is. But what I was saying earlier is that ask the tough questions, you know, and I'll do my best to answer. Obviously, I don't have all the answers because this is not my product. I didn't design it. I don't sell it or anything like that. Oh, it looks like we're making a little slight move up. See if we catch a trade going up. But I'll definitely do my best to answer your questions. Okay. If I can't, maybe I'll reach out to the company and see if they'll answer the question. I don't know. You know, I don't know what I'll do, but I can definitely answer the questions I'm able to answer, and I'll do that. So be on the lookout for that. I'm hoping to get that set up today. So by I'll add it to my YouTube channel profile, so you'll be able to see it there and start sending your questions. So I'm excited to do that. This account is a larger account, as I mentioned earlier. So if I can get to that 1,000, I think I'll be pretty happy. But because the market's going kind of slow, I may settle for something less than that this morning. But we'll see. We'll see how I feel and where the action's going. So this video might be kind of slow. You may want to fast forward and get to where the trades start to happen. Okay. We'll see what we're thinking here. So it looks like it's making another push to the bottom here. Okay, you know, I'm thinking it's gonna go to the bottom, so I may just go short on this, just so it'll take a short trade. I don't know. I'm just venturing. I normally just leave it at both, so it'll take a trade in both directions. But we'll see. We'll see where it goes. I think there's enough momentum going down, and I don't want to get caught in a reversal. But we'll see. Okay, well, it's definitely slow this morning. I'm not used to it. Normally I wait a couple minutes after market open, and then I jump in. But even when it's slow, you can still make money, obviously. I mean, it's still a trade. It's just going to take longer to develop. Sometimes it takes a little bit more patience, because once you're in a trade, you might be tempted to hit flat and close out earlier, thinking it's going to go the other direction when it's not. So it's making a move here to the top. The bot's not going to engage because I put it in short only. So we'll see if that was a good move or not. So we would have been in this trade right now. So let's see. It's creeping up. Okay, so changing it to short was probably not the best idea. I should have just left it as it was, because we would have been in this trade, and we probably would have been done for the day. I mean, it's ranging pretty well. It might get to that that higher low, or lower high, I guess is what they say, how you say it. It might do that double top right there, but that would have been this would have been a nice trade to be in. So learn from me. Sometimes when you feel there's a strong push to the bottom, sometimes it's good just to go short. Or if you think it's just, if the market's just going up and up and up, going long makes sense. For the most part, I just leave it on both. So I'm going to just turn it back on both. I shouldn't have really done that. So, hey, you learn. And you learn from my mistakes, right? And this is what this video is about. It's not like nothing's perfect. I'm still learning. Sometimes you just gotta trust the automation, which is I didn't do that time, and I learned a lesson. I could have been done already. That said, yeah, look at that. Yeah, that would have been nice. Okay, but hey, that's okay. We'll just keep on pushing, and there's plenty of trades to be had. So there's no reason to feel rushed or that we need to do something drastic or anything like that, because there's always opportunity to jump in on another trade. So, but yeah, so I'm excited. I'm looking forward to trading on my live accounts, my funded accounts. Maybe as early as tomorrow, I might venture and start start trading on the live accounts. I mentioned I have a trade copier. I'm gonna fire that up maybe tomorrow or the day after. We'll see. And show you how that works. I'm gonna be trading micros, just so I don't risk a whole lot. But I'm gonna show you how that works. So hopefully that's something you can benefit from. I'm not gonna blur out anything, so you'll see my accounts and everything. So this is gonna be like totally transparent, so you can make your own judgment and decision if this is something you're looking at. So I think we're about to enter a trade going up. We'll see. Also, what I would like to, if you guys could do me a favor. So when I put this email account in my profile, you can definitely post questions. But if you have some screenshots of your winners using the bot, send them to me. I'd be happy to post those on a video and show how you guys are doing with your trades, right? If you have some tips, tricks that you've learned along the way, maybe your favorite settings that you've learned, share those as well, and I can share them on the video. I think that would be pretty cool to highlight some of your experiences with the bot. We're in a trade, and we should push up to that runner. Getting close. And there we go. And as always, clear out those pending orders that sometimes Ninja tends to leave behind. Because they can kind of cause problems later. So just click them off, no big deal. So let's see where we end up. So we're at $600. Market's slow enough. I probably could just call it a morning. $600 is actually really good. But because this is a bigger account, I would have stopped by now, because this would have made my 500 to 1,000 profit target. But this is a bigger account, and I'm shooting for that 1,000. So I'm going to wait for just one more trade and go for it. And once that's done, I'll hit flat, turn it off, and turn off this video. So we'll see if we can enter just one more time. But this could come back to bite me too. So if this is within your profit target, just take your money and run, okay? Because you never know what the next trade's going to bring. It could be good, it could be bad. You just never know. So sometimes it's better to take your profit and then just come back the next day. So we'll see. Maybe that's another lesson that I'm about to learn, which is a lesson I've learned a lot, to be honest with you. I've had plenty of opportunity where I was ahead and didn't take my profit. So this could be one of those times, but we'll see. But I think it's making a push to the top here. I mean, a slight move down, but it should come right up. At least that's the pattern that we're seeing. So we'll see. Yeah, see, it's thinking about going up. but it's hesitating at the same time. So we'll see. Let's see, I think we're about to enter. There we go. So far, so good. We just got to hit that runner and we'll be done for the morning. There we go. Come on. We're almost there, folks. This morning's almost done. And no crap. Okay, it reversed. So that's what happens. So luckily the software has the feature called DRAM, which does a stop and reverse, and we've gotten out of it. We're still positive, as you can see, but as soon as momentum stops here, I'm going to take my money and run. That's it. Sometimes it's just, better to be lucky than good, I guess they say sometimes, right? So do that. So I'm going to take my money, call it good, and then I'm going to catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and be on the lookout for the next video. Happy trading. Have a great rest of your week, and take care. Bye now.